Hey Taurus, welcome to Dark Eve Tarot. I am Eve, and we're going to get you a little message. Now, I will say that I previously recorded a video for you, and the message was really weird. So I decided not to keep the video. It was too freaking weird. If you're curious, it was about something really shocking you and stopping you like dead in your tracks and you having a hard time talking about it, but I I just it didn't feel right. So, and I had some weird feelings during the reading, so I was like, "Nah, we're going to get you a fresh reading." I don't know if that was maybe just for like one person or something, but I don't know. It was strange. And I don't mind strange, but it didn't seem like it was general enough for a general reading, you know? Alright, so, Taurus. For the collective sign of Taurus, what do we want to talk about? What do we want to talk about for Taurus? What's the topic? Are you shitting me? Okay, that's like the first card of the last reading. Okay, ship. Alright, so we have some movement. Alright, what else? Lily. Well, that's different. Okay, good. So we have movement and then we also have maturity. Here, the lily is kind of a mature energy. Someone who is wise. Could be someone wise beyond their years. Three cards? I don't want three cards. I want one more. One more for Taurus. Child. Huh. So, we've got some kind of movement here between maturity and immaturity. It's like, what's the distance? A distance between maturity and immaturity. Huh. Okay. So let's get some tarot. Maybe it's not so much about the distance between it, but the fact that you're able to jump from one to the other. It's like you can move easily from one to the other depending on the circumstances, Taurus. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have the Fool card here, and it's the Coyote card, which is it's a little bit intimidating. And I think there's something in the booklet. Something in the booklet for this card. I just feel like I need to read it. I don't normally read the booklets, but the booklet for this deck is freaking awesome. Alright. Alright, so it says Coyote is the beginning and the end. Coyote's wisdom is wordless, infinite, and without form. To gain access to it, you must discard convention and embrace the unknown. Only through chaos and confusion can you gain order and understanding. I feel like you're gonna get kind of flipped around here, Taurus. Coyote asks you to tap into the well of your unconscious mind and energy body. Listen to your intuition, keep note of your dreams. Coyote doesn't show himself often, which I believe that is very true because I hardly ever get this card. Coyote doesn't show himself often. His emergence is deep old magic. Take advantage of it when it's here. Holy crap. Maybe that's why I was feeling so weird in the last reading, Taurus. There's an opportunity. I feel like this is child's play here. You just adulting one moment, embracing your inner child the next moment. That's like tiddlywinks compared to what energy this coyote is bringing in for you. Holy crap. Alright, cool. What else? What else for Taurus? Now, if you've never experienced this energy before, I could see how it could be shocking. Shock and awe, shock and awe. Yeah, and I can totally see this new energy. If you take advantage of it, I feel like it can take you very, very far. We got a chunk. Let's take them. Wow, 10 of moons. Okay, so 10 of moons, that's like 10 of cups. I am seeing like some kind of, I mean, it's got all these phases of the moons here. There's like a central position here, and it's eclipsy. I don't think you have any idea how magnificent this really is. Whatever is coming for you, and I know that sounds ominous, but whatever is coming for you, coming towards you, I really don't think you realize how magnificent it really is. Even when you're being your adulting self, your wise self, your mature self, I don't think this is a rare opportunity for something here, Taurus. Just seeing, okay, so these I'm just seeing as like mini choice points. There's many ways to get from A to B, and that's what this ship is. The ship basically means just getting from point A to point B, right? Well, I don't think I think your point B where you're going is nothing you've imagined. Okay? And there's many ways to get there. So it's almost like with this coyote energy right here, you can't choose wrong, Taurus. You can't choose wrong. It's just a different view. You know what I mean? You just there's different scenery along the way, but you're eventually going to the same place. And it's funny because it almost looks like this tree ends at an eclipse, which is the center point right here. Can you see I don't know if it'll show it. The very tip, it looks like an eclipse. So here we have Venus. That's that love energy. I don't know if this is going to bring you closer to, so I just want to say closer to something that you're going to love, and that something could actually be a person too. You're being brought closer to something you'll love. And then we have the Knight of Metals. And it says vampire. I feel like this is a warning. And I want to say something about being too late. Alright, hold on. I need something about this being, I don't know, I'm just getting being too late. It has nothing to do with vampire or swords or anything. It's like, don't miss the boat. Don't miss the boat, Taurus. I don't know if it's a message about procrastination or avoidance or what? Because this is going to be unfamiliar energy to you. And when you come across it, you're supposed to like hop on and take advantage of it, even though it's not going to feel like it's going to lead to anything, but you've got 10 of moons here, which is like, psh, like super happiness, like rainbows and shit, you know? You've got Venus right here. I mean, you're going to love it. But there's a part of you that's going to want to miss the boat. Okay, I don't need these. Sometimes just holding the baby cards gives me what I need. All right. We need one more. I was going to use 2 decks for you, but I think we're doing fine with just this one. Oh, Gabriel's coming out. Alright, so we have, oh my gosh, you have more, dude, this is leading to some major freaking energy here. You have Gabriel, which is like the Magician card, and then you have Hecate. Oh my, Hecate is amazing energy, amazing energy. Holy shit. Don't miss the boat, Taurus. Don't miss the boat. Oh my gosh. This is huge. It's huge. Alright, now I'm going to use these. I'm just going to get a card for each one of these. Or cards for each one of these because I feel like this is future for you, okay? And, you know, the future, it's pretty darn malleable. Because of free will, right? But these are big. These are in more major energies coming for you in the future. Kind of like the way this coyote energy just pops in and offers you this opportunity for you to, you know, grab a hold of. I feel like there's more opportunities. Like this Gabriel card is one. This Hecate card is another. It's like you've got. It's like you're going on a series. If you move forward and don't miss the dang boat, you are going to have a series of really big things happen to you, Taurus. And I just want to just get a little bit of a flavor of what this Gabriel card is going to bring. It is Magician, so it's materializing things. It's bringing things into your life. Manifesting. The art of manifestation. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, strength. That's interesting. I'm seeing this strength as major focus. What else? Strength and what for Gabriel? The Fool. You have the Fool again. See, I told you. New. Look, this is the Fool right here. 0. You have 0 again, the Fool. This is a new opportunity. It's another opportunity coming in. It's like if you didn't already feel strong after experiencing this in the future, it's like you have another opportunity to strengthen you even more. This is really exciting. Alright, and then Hecate. One of my favorites. Alright, Hecate. That smells like freedom. The Magician. No way. That's this card right here. You're going to be free to create. It's like here, it's like you're introduced to the Magician energy. You're being introduced to like a new way of manifesting things for yourself. It gives you this great strength, right? Then it's like Hecate comes in and like seals the deal. So cool. All right, Taurus. I feel like you got a lot of good stuff to look forward to. Yeah, you're good. All right, Taurus. See you later.